20, 10, 5, 5, 5, 5, 10, 1, 1, 20, oh. Hi everybody, I'm Danny. I am the Kidtropolis educator for Children's Museum Houston, and welcome to another educator moment brought to you by Bank of America. So I'm actually in our Kidtropolis branch of Bank of America right now, and I was just sorting all of the money that I've earned working here in Kidtropolis. I know you can tell I've been very, very busy. It's very exciting to have all of my Kidtropolis bucks here, but I'm discovering I have a bit of a problem. I don't have anywhere to put all of this money. If I just carry it, I might accidentally drop some of it. Now, of course, we know the bank is a great place to go to keep your money safe. You can deposit it into something like a checking account that you can use to spend money that you might need to buy certain things, or you can put it in a savings account where it has the opportunity to earn interest, so your money earns money. Pretty cool. But beyond that, when I just have this money before I can get to the bank, sometimes I just need to have a safe place to put it besides just my pocket. And that's where wallets come in handy. So what we are actually going to do today is we're going to do a craft activity in our Art Academy space, and we're going to do this in honor of Father's Day. We're going to make a wallet that you can give Dad to both hold his money, but also to hold other things that you can create and give him that have value of their own. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, it's time to make our wallets. For this particular project, you will need some cardstock. If you don't have cardstock, if you just have regular paper, you can use that. Cardstock just helps make it a little bit sturdier. You're gonna need some glue or tape or stapler, something that you can use to sort of secure things to other things. You'll want some scissors and you'll want a marker. All right, the step one is to make our wallet. Pretty easy for this one, actually. We're gonna take a piece of our cardstock. If you wanna cut this down to a smaller size, you can, but I'm just gonna use the full sheet. I'm gonna fold it in half lengthwise, hot dog fold, if you will, and I'm gonna crease it once it's together. Then I'm gonna fold it in half the other direction, just like this. Check it out. It's a wallet. Doesn't it look like a wallet? Very nice. Now to make sure that stuff doesn't all fall out the ends, we're gonna secure these two ends. I'm gonna use a stapler for this. Glue is actually a really good option to make it look nice, but I kind of want to get my project made quickly. I don't want to wait for it to dry, so that's why I'm using a stapler. Okay, so now I can open this up. I could put money or something inside. It's perfect. Next, we want to give it a few pockets. So I'm going to use a different color cardstock for this. I think I'll use my purple cardstock. It's a really good idea to measure this out to make sure you're getting the size that you want. But as you can see, I'm not following my own advice right now. I'm just sort of eyeballing it. That's okay too. But of course, it's good to practice our math skills so that we can measure. So I can have one pocket here, which again, for the sake of time, I'm just gonna tape mine in place. If you want to use glue to make it look really nice, I certainly think that's a great idea. But I want to make mine quickly. All right, and what you'll see is I put tape on the bottom and the two sides. That way I can still slide something in this little pocket here. Now if I want, I can make a smaller pocket in front of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Cut this one down just a little bit smaller. And I'm gonna make it shorter than the last one. And I'm gonna tape it down. I'm gonna line it up right at the same bottom spot and tape it down in the same way, where I put tape on the side, the other side, and then a long piece of tape on the bottom. And now check it out. I have two pockets. So I could put stuff in here, and I can put stuff in here, and I can put stuff in here. And if I want to add more pockets over here, I can do that. This is our wallet. Now, the next important piece, the thing that really makes this a Father's Day craft, is we're actually gonna make some stuff to go inside these pockets. And instead of making money, which would be a cool gift, but what we're gonna do instead is we're gonna give a different value item, and that is a coupon. Now you might have seen these before. I actually found these ones online and printed them up, but you can create your own. You just cut out other pieces of paper or cardstock and write something that has value that you might want to give your dad for Father's Day. So we've got breakfast in bed, we've got mow the lawn. Ooh, goodness, that takes a long time. It's very hot out. That's a good one. Cleaning the bathroom. Oh my gosh, very important. Chore of your choice. Goodness gracious, that's a dangerous one. And of course, we've got things like a big hug. And you can put these in the wallet so that Dad can pull them out and use them when he likes. So I'm gonna put a couple in this pocket here. I'll put this big hug one up in here. I've got the chores, something with a night off. I've got another one that just as you wish. Fill in the blank, very, very dangerous. Movie night of your choice. Let Dad pick what we're gonna see. And then in the end, I've got all of these different coupons inside my wallet for Dad. Now the last thing I might choose to do is to decorate the wallet itself. Once again, I'm gonna do this rather quickly. I already made a sticker to go on the front. You don't have to make a sticker. You can use stickers you already have, or of course you can decorate with markers or crayons or anything. But I made mine that looks like this. Super Dad, pretty cool. So this is my Father's Day craft. You can give this to your dad, stepdad, grandfather, any dude that you've got in your life who is very important and special to you, all right? So thank you very much, everybody, for joining me today, and to all of the dad guys out there, happy Father's Day. We appreciate you. And to all of my friends at home, we will see you all at the museum real soon. Bye.